The Doomsday Plane starts with precision-built fuselage modules. Each skin panel undergoes dimensional verification for rugged performance. High-strength aluminum skins stamped for the Doomsday Plane's shell.
Internal frames for the Doomsday Plane are welded to aerospace tolerances.
Automated welders ensure each section matches structural loading specs.
All parts are traceable back to Doomsday Plane serial numbers.
Technicians marry forward and aft sections. First big step in the Doomsday Plane build.
Precision torque ensures airframe integrity for the Doomsday Plane.
Thousands of rivets secure the Doomsday Plane's skin to frame.
Strong mounts prepared for high-thrust turbofans on the Doomsday Plane. Massive wing spars are aligned and installed on the Doomsday Plane. Custom jigs ensure perfect wing-to-fuselage alignment.
Hydraulics critical for flight controls on the Doomsday Plane.
Heavy-duty gear mated to support the Doomsday Plane's weight. Precision alignment for safe landings of the Doomsday Plane.
4 high-bypass turbofan engines fitted to the Doomsday Plane.
Complex wiring harnesses are measured and routed.
Every cable in the Doomsday Plane is numbered for systems tracking.
Avionics cabinets installed for navigation and communication. Cables shielded for explosive event resistance in the Doomsday Plane.
Systems tested as soon as electrical bus is live.
Avionics validated using built-in test equipment.
Multiple radio bands set up for Doomsday Plane communications.
SATCOM hardware placed for global reach.
Pressurized connectors sealed against moisture and EMP on Doomsday Plane.
Once wiring is complete, access panels are closed.
The Doomsday Plane interior is a mobile operations hub.
Thermal and acoustic insulation goes in first in Doomsday Plane.
Modular floor racks prepare for equipment bunking in Doomsday Plane.
Primary command consoles placed with ergonomic studies in Doomsday Plane. Dedicated comms bays for secure lines on the Doomsday Plane.
A briefing room is fitted with table and tactical displays, the Doomsday Plane.
Sleeping berths added for long endurance flights.
Redundant lighting for worst-case scenarios on the Doomsday Plane. Seats anchored to withstand high G loads.
Electromagnetic shielding applied throughout sensitive areas.
Certain compartments are fully caged for EMP immunity.
Auxiliary power systems mounted for resilience. Redundant power banks integrated into the Doomsday Plane.
Extra capacity fuel cells prepared for long flights.
Probe calibration ensures safe refueling of the Doomsday Plane.
Backup communication pathways installed.
Critical cables separated for fault tolerance. Electromagnetic relays toggled during ground validation.
Heat dissipation verified across power systems.
Initial power-up of the Doomsday Plane's electrics.
System self-check start across the flight deck.
GPS/INS alignment prepares the Doomsday Plane for flight.
Fuel lines are pressure checked for leaks. Flight control hydraulics verified.
Systems tested under simulated altitude loads.
First taxi under its own power for the Doomsday Plane.
Brakes heat profiling during taxi tests. Technicians sign off for first flight.
Engines spool as the Doomsday Plane lifts off.
Ascending through initial climb checks.
Flight deck displays flicker with telemetry.
Navcom networks come online.
Boom operator approaches, dry contact.
Redundant systems are synchronized mid-air. Comm consoles activate in cabins. Simulated command sequence fires. Storm patterns scanned mid-flight.
Descent begins after successful testing. Computer modeling ensures Doomsday Plane frame strength.
Technicians verify 0 defects.
Each fastener meets certified strength.
Aerodynamic smoothing reduces drag. Protective layers against corrosion. Reinforced for repeated operational use. Simulated altitude pressurization.
Internal baffles prevent sloshing. Heat and flame barriers added.
Heavy equipment, mounts locked.
Aerodynamic balancing.
Control surfaces calibrated.
precision routing for redundant input.
Protects high-altitude surfaces.
Precise motion profiling.
Long distance comms for Doomsday Plane.
Global satellite locks acquired.
Encrypted channels verified.
Low drag comm domes.
Locator systems enabled. Multi-path connectivity.
Interference logged and mitigated.
Network cabling labeled and squared.
Thermal management in electronics bay. Secure keys transfer.
The transfer is complete, sir. External data streams verified. Coverage zones visualized. Critical bays enclosed.
Transient suppression hardware.
Soak unwanted emissions.
Thermal dissipation on systems.
Defense check runs. Bundles wrapped and tied.
Critical network isolation zones.
Multiple tanks cross-plumbed.
Latch circuits verified alive. Each step built the Doomsday Plane. Pushing aerospace boundaries.
Live tactical simulations run.
Teams trained on systems.
Confirming readiness.
Precision all around.
Support teams honored.
Doomsday Plane ready day or night. This is strategic reach.
Ongoing working since we moved here.
Ongoing life cycle care.
Silent Guardia of Command.
Unmatched engineering.
This is the story of the Doomsday Plane.